So with CAGR, I'm going to have to introduce years into the equation because I'm going to average out our return on investment over those 4 years. So let's do the calculation. We're going to take E8, which is our sold price, divided by our purchase price, D8, and we are going to take that to the 1 divided by number of years power, and then we're going to subtract the whole thing by 1. And that is going to give us our compound annual growth rate. So what is that telling me? That is telling me on an annual basis, my Alphabet Incorporated investment has generated almost 17% return each year that I've owned it. Now, overall, it's an 86% return, but on an annualized basis, it is almost 17% at 16.8%. So let's go ahead and prove this out so you can see that this formula works. So I'm going to take my purchase price times 1 plus my compound annual growth rate. You add the 1 in there so you have the purchase price carry forward into the calculation. Now, then I'm just going to continue. I'm going to grab for 2021 my ending value, multiply it by the same scenario, and just carry it through year 3 and year 4. And you could see my ending value equals the same amount that we sold it for using the compound annual growth rate.